Yeah, to begin with, Alan, tell us about, reviewin natin yung concept of franchising. Let's begin with that. Let's strengthen the notion of franchising and let's campaign for it. How do you define it?
Yeah, franchising is basically using other people's management and skill. No? Once you go to a franchisor and look for a franchise, no, one, proven na kasi yung system na yan.
Alright.
So proven na yan, nasubukan na yan, kumita na yung brand na yan. So that's why this franchisor now will start selling this franchise
With all the systems and
with all the
experiences.
systems, with the trainings, with the uniform, with kasama pati yung mga errors na ginawa nila, tuturuan kayo lahat para hindi nyo makommit ulit, no?
Yun.
So it makes it much easier. The chances of you succeeding is much higher when you develop compared to when you are going to develop your own brand.
So partner, hindi ka lang hindi ka lang nanghihiram ng brand.
No.
Actually, nagiging partner ka to continue the success of the brand.
Yes. In fact, in franchising, marriage yan eh. The franchisor and the franchisee.
It's a relationship.
It's a relationship, no? For you to be able to succeed, you should nurture the partnership. No? Each will help. Some franchisees help also the franchisors. Maski magagaling na sila, tutulungan pa rin sila kung ano experiences nila on a certain location.
Dr. Alan, bakit ang Pilipinas ang nasabi natin na franchise hub ng Asia?
Well, first, tayo yung may pinakamalaking franchisors and franchises group sa buong Asia. No? That's one. No? Number two, maraming countries sa Asia ngayon, ginagaya tayo. Kinokopya tayo dun sa system na ginawa natin sa franchising when this was started about 15 to 16 years ago.
Okay.
And sumasali tayo, ang Pilipinas sumasali rin sa mga franchise shows ng iba-ibang countries, no, sa Asia. And we've seen na hindi talaga masyado pang develop doon.
Okay.
Ibang-iba dito, like last year, no, dun sa franchise World Franchise Show, I think we had almost 60 or 70,000 visitors, no? All over the world. And lahat ng mga franchise consultants and franchise leaders ng buong bansa were here to grace that occasion.
Great.
Okay.
And therefore, ang Pilipinas ang nangunguna. Aside from that, doctor, is yung language natin, right?
Yes.
English kasi, transfer of technology.
Parang second language talaga natin is English.
Oo,
Madaling intindihin, no? Madaling magturo. In fact, I won't mention the brand, no, but there's an international brand na ginawa dito ang training nila for Asia Pacific dito sa Pilipinas.
Great.
Because they saw na isa sa pinakamagaling sa service at sa language, madaling umintindi, masipag at matyaga.
Ang Pinoy.
Ang Pinoy. There's going to be a Philippine Franchise Conference on July 25 to 27, followed by the Expo on the 27 from the 27 to the 29th. By the way, if you're interested in becoming a certified franchise executive, no, we provide also these courses which will be held at AIM. Call the Secretariat if you're interested and become an expert in franchising. There's going to be a Philippine Franchise Conference on July 25 to 27, followed by the Expo on the 27 from the 27 to the 29th.